Each side of the mold has 1 wick pins. For first-time use, pull them out about 0.5 centimeters. Knot one end of the wick onto the first pin, then thread it through the mold slots. Securing it around each pin along the way. Continue until the wick is fully threaded, then tighten and knot it on the last pin. Lay the mold flat with the inside facing up. Use a heat gun to evenly warm the surface to 50-60 C. Align and close the 2 mold halves. Secure using the 3 straps from bottom to top. Flip and check the bottom for gaps. Adjust the sides for a snug fit if needed. Stand the mold upright for pouring. Slowly pour wax into each of the 4 openings. Fill to the top and let it partially cool. Refill to maintain the level after shrinkage. Once fully solidified, remove the 3 straps. Gently separate the mold. Cut the wick and press the sides to release candles. Trim off the candle base. Smooth the bottom for stability. Use a craft knife and brush to clean up seam lines. Now enjoy your 4 perfectly crafted taper candles.